Hello. Let's make new trigger and new post request instruction. You can write some comment for your request. Fill in the URL of your server file that will receive view data from this instruction. You can use string variable if you want. Then you need to fill in all parameters you want to send to your web server. You can send string parameters and number parameters. Let's send some string parameter called name with Peter value, and then number parameter called age with 31 value. You can choose response type, response with delimiter or array response. In our example we will use response with delimiter and pipe like delimiter value. Also we have to choose what variables will receive our response. If you want to receive a string response, choose insert string variable. If you want to receive number response, choose insert number variable. The same works with bool type variables. Now let's see the server file, which receives view data from web request module for Game Creator 2. It contains post request with two variables, name and age. It checks the data and returns some other values to your game. Let's hit play. As we can see, we receive new data from out web server to our global variables. Now, let's try to receive data in array response. Untick response with delimiter and check response array. Set delimiter to none and hit play. As you can see, we created another post request with other parameter and other conditions. And as the result of that, received another response from server. Remember to use JSON encode to your array, if you want to use getResponse with array in this module. I hope you enjoy this module. Have a nice day, see ya.